Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. We're checking out a 1970 C10 pickup truck Pro Touring. Powered by an LS1 4-speed automatic transmission. Nice stance on this thing. Sitting on 20-inch rims, custom, upgraded tires, just done right. Get a better stance on it. Paint lays pretty good on this one. It's deep, but I'd give it a strong 7 out of 10 because there are a few flaws and I'll go over those with you. It still has a great shine in there. Bed's done right. Got the vent windows, which are really good. All right, let's get up and personal with this one. Your front grille, lights, everything in good shape. All the way throughout. Hood lines up great. Antenna is intact. Could use a little wet sanding on top here. Wipers are intact. All your moldings around the glass are good. Your glass is good. Driver's window good. Glass is good. Vent window right there. Roof line is good. This is a little ticky-tacky in here, but not bad. It could be reworked. A little patch inside there you could see. Get off it a little bit, you can see. Chrome handles, fine. Gas cap, good. Paint on the driver's door is good. Fender, it's good. Let's use probably a good little wet sanding and buff. Bring it out a little bit more, but it's got a great shine. Lights in back are good. Hang on, let's see what this is. No, that's fine. Tiny little nick there. Tailgate is good. Dual exhaust. Lights are working. Blinkers are working. Rear quarter passenger side is fine. No stories. Glass on passenger is good. Antenna's intact, of course. Chrome handle. It's tinted glass all the way around. This side's much better than the other, you know, in your rain gutter. So that sit on there. Front quarter's fine. Fender down. Got a great stance on it. Like I said, this is a Pro Touring. It's powered by an LS1 with an automatic 4-speed transmission. Let's check out the cabin. Bench seat with all your seat belts. Door panels are good. Inside, no rust to be found. Underneath is real clean. A little patch here, I see. A nice little billet setup in here. Tilt steering wheel. Dash pad is good. Let's take a look underneath. It's clean. Really nicely done. Frame is good. Excuse me. Well done under there. Really sharp. All your weather strippings are good all the way around. Take a look underneath. It's really clean. frame's done good. Really nice truck underneath, real clean. All right, let's fire this baby up. Temperature gauge is an app. So oil pressure as well, and radio. Let's take a listen. Volt rear end, Ozzy. K&N Air filter, power steering, power brakes, nice setup, real clean. Heater delete. Aluminum radiator. All your hoses and belts are good. Real fresh inside here. Nice Pro Touring 1970 C10 pickup truck. If you're looking to get some financing done and you're anywhere from a 624 to a 739, go directly to my website, fill out the credit application, 10% down. If you're a 740 or above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. We've got over 120 vehicles in stock. We ship all over the country. For quotes, you could reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 o'clock till 2 p.m. by appointment only. Have a great day, everybody. Check out our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. Have a great day.